You walk into a spotless living room, not a crumb, not a pillow out of place. Your friend laughs, "You clean too much," but you can't stop. Why do some people need everything orderly? It's not laziness versus discipline. The answer hides in your nervous system, your childhood, even your ancient ancestors. You wake up tired. The kitchen is clean from last night, but your chest feels tight anyway. You scrub the counter again. Your knuckles go white. A voice whispers, "If I lose control of this room, I lose control of everything." That's the secret. Cleanliness isn't about germs. It's about certainty. Your brain's anterior cingulate cortex lights up when things are asymmetrical. That's the error detection zone. For you, a dirty dish is an alarm bell. Cortisol spikes. Your body prepares for threat, so you clean to lower the alarm. It works for minutes. Then the alarm resets. You're trapped in a loop. This isn't a flaw. It's a survival reflex that grew too big. Thousands of years ago, a messy cave meant parasites, predators, death. Your ancestors who organized their space survived longer. They passed you that gene. But for you, that ancient warning never turns off, even when you're safe. So you scrub, not because you love clean, because you fear chaos. Here's the pivot. Ask, what am I really avoiding when I clean? Often it's an emotion, loneliness, anger from a parent who demanded perfection, or the feeling that you don't deserve rest until everything is done. Cleaning becomes a shield, but shields also trap you. You don't have to stop cleaning, just stop believing it will save you. Try this. Leave one cup on the counter for 10 minutes. Don't move it. Feel the itch. Don't scratch. Breathe. You are still safe. That discomfort won't kill you. It's just an old ghost. Let it pass. Your home can be lived in. Your worth is not measured in shine. You are already enough.